Hi, my name is Hayden and this is my Brightsparks entry. I have developed a ball to help with disabilities and hand therapy to make the patient want to squeeze the ball. So I've installed buttons inside the ball and they're wired up through the control box to my laptop so that when the individual buttons are pressed, for this particular game, animals come up on the screen. So it's to make the patient want to squeeze the ball, it's to make it interesting. Okay, so the way I came up with the idea for this project is from my last year's project, the Robo Helper that was also in the competition last year, I wanted to continue with the disability category and helping elderly and disabled, mainly disabled. And so I went and interviewed Amelia at the Yes Disability Centre, and we talked about everyday problems that disabled people have that I could help to fix. We ended up coming out with an exoskeleton hand that goes over the hand and helps for grabbing and everything. But after doing some research, I realized how complicated the project was and it would have to be simplified. So I talked to my teacher, Wendy Johnston, and I bounced some ideas with her and ended up with the idea of the ball to help with muscle development and small motor muscle skills and things like that. For this particular ball and with that game, I've also made a guitar game. The individual buttons bring up different animals on the screen. So my thumb is a cat. I've also got a sheep, a dog, a duck, and an elephant to go small. The other balls are very different. This one's smaller and has only 3 buttons, and this one has different finger positioning with the thumb on the ends to underneath. This is the guitar game, so I have the individual buttons bring up different guitar chords. So I have E minor, G, A minor, D, and C.
Now try the next one with your right thumb, that's it. Next one. You're going to try and scare Charlie, are you? Okay. Amber, what about now trying with your left thumb? Other thumb. Okay, remember you've got to press down as opposed to... So you found a different way of getting that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's pushing next to it, which is pulling the phone down and pushing the button down.
That's cool. Okay, now go back round to the other dots with your left thumb. No, your other thumb. Amber, your other thumb.
The one nearest to Hayden.
With the other
The other left.
The other left thumb.
You touch which is her left hand, just show her which is her left hand.
Left hand, this one. Try your thumb. That's it, that's probably not as strong as it. That's it. Okay, and next one. No, left thumb. That's it. Okay. And try the top one with the left thumb. You remember your left thumb? Show me your left thumb. No, other one.
That thumb. She's getting good exercise though, isn't she?
She is.
Oh, what animal's that?
That's a duck.
Elephant now.
What was the top one?
Elephant?
Do it again.
That was the bottom one. What was the top one?
No.
Oh, a dog.
Right, can you try any of your other fingers?
It's a cute kitty cat.
The way it works is this control box, which actually has an Arduino, a microcontroller on the inside, receives power from the computer, and it's constant. I programmed it so it constantly checks if one of the buttons is being pressed. When one is, it sends a signal out through the wire to the computer through serial port, which the game Unity, which I also programmed, picks up the data that it's sent through and turns it into, okay, what's being pressed, okay, let's bring this animal up and play the sound. This is my display board. It shows my whole development process in the middle, a letter from Jacqueline, my idea gathering, my test results with Amber, all my product specifications and my prices, an overall reflection, and a link to my YouTube channel. I also have a logbook which I wrote down everything, typed out really everything in. There's all my wiring diagrams, code and everything all in there. My project has one top of North Harbour Science Fair, which is this and this. And to the summary! Thank you for watching my video, and I'd like to say a quick thank you to Sam Kelly and Sophie Littlewood for helping me record and edit this video, to my parents for constant support, my uncle Richard for helping me with programming tips and advice, my granddad for all-round advice with the wiring and everything, to Sam Kelly again for helping me with the sounds for the animal game, and to Lucy, Amber and Jacqueline for letting me come in and test my board with them.